students, today we study one another most important topic, immunity. The ability of the individual or host to fight against the disease causing organisms, microorganism, and it is confirmed by the immune system. That is, it is the disease causing microorganism, it is confirmed by the immune system, is called as the immunity. And the system of body which protect the body from many infectious pathogens, for example microorganisms, which includes bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoans, etc., is called as immune system. Or we can say that our immune system protect our body from infections. As you know that we in our daily life inhale a lot of microorganisms in our body, but it is our immune system which protect us from these microorganisms. यदि हमारा immune system कमजोर पड़ जाता है तो हम बीमार हो जाते हैं. Now, first of all, go through the classification of immunity. This is very important one. Immunity classification at a glance. Immunity is broadly divided into 4 subtypes. Innate immunity. Innate immunity further subdivided into 4 kinds of barriers. That is physiological barriers, physical barriers, cellular barriers, cytokine barriers. Barriers, it means that barriers against the pathogens. Second kind is the acquired immunity. It is of 2 types, humoral immunity and cell mediated immunity, that is CMI. Third type is the active immunity, in which antibody produced inside the body. And fourth type is the passive immunity, where ready-made antibody given to the body. Now, in all 4 kinds of immunity, innate immunity present since birth in the body. So, it is also known as natural immunity. ये immunity हमें भगवान द्वारा हमारी बॉडी में हमें दी जाती है, already present in the body. Acquired immunity after birth. This immunity gained after birth, जो birth के बाद हम gain करते हैं, after taking the artificial methods of immune to boost up the immune system. So today we study about the innate or natural immunity. Now it is the non-specific type of the defense that is present at the time of birth. जो since birth या at the time of birth हमारी body में present रहती है, hence it is known as natural immunity. It provides different types of barriers to the entry of the foreign agents or pathogen in our body. First is the physiological barriers. As I told you, barriers against pathogens. जो pathogens के against barriers का काम करते हैं. These are naturally present in our body. So physiological barriers, they prevent the microbial growth in the body. For example, acid in the stomach, just like HCl also present in the stomach, and this acid protect us from many kind of the microbes which comes along with the food inside the stomach. तो एसिड उन्हें किल करने का काम करता है. Saliva in the mouth. Salivary gland secretes saliva in the mouth. Saliva consisting of the lysozyme. It is a kind of the enzyme which check the growth of the microbes. जो हम खाना खाते हैं, फूड लेते हैं, उसके साथ कोई भी माइक्रोब्स बॉडी में आता है तो उसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सलाइवा से डिस्ट्रॉय करने का काम करता है. नाउ टीयर्स इन द आईज. हमारी जो आई ग्लैंड, लैक्राइमल ग्लैंड्स इन द आईज आर देयर, दे सीक्रेट द टीयर्स. तो आंसुओं में भी एक तरह का हमारा फिजियोलॉजिकल बैरियर्स होते हैं. तो दीज टीयर्स प्रोटेक्ट आवर आईज फ्रॉम द माइक्रोबियल इन्फेक्शन. सेकंड इज द physical barriers. Physical barriers include skin. Skin is the most of the or main barrier of the body. It prevents the entry of the microorganisms in our body. In the same manner, mucous coating of epithelium linings in the respiratory tract, gastrointestinal tract, urogenital tract, etc. So this mucous coating also protect the pathogens antipathogens in the tissue or specific tissue or in the body. Now third kind barriers is the cellular barriers. Cellular barriers destroy the microbes by phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is the cell feeding. A lot of the macrophages in our body or special kind of WBC destroy the foreign particles or antigens or pathogens by means of the cellular feeding, just like amoeba. जैसे amoeba cellular feeding से destroy करता है, इसी तरह से these cells destroy the microorganism by phagocytosis. For example, leukocytes, for example, as PMNL. This is the most important term. Full form आती है बोर्ड में 1 मार्क्स में. PMNL, that is polymorphonuclear leukocytes. It is a kind of neutrophils. Now monocytes and natural killer, a type of the lymphocytes. Natural killer, a type of the lymphocytes in the blood, and macrophages in the tissue. So all these cells functioning as to destroy the pathogens by means of the phagocytosis. Now fourth kind of the cytokine barriers. Cytokine barriers, that is virus infected cells, are known as cytokines. These cells secretes the special kind of proteins called as the interferons. These proteins called as the interferons. These proteins protect the non-infected cells from the further infection. So we can say that interferons secreted by the virus infected cells in the body. These virus infected cells called as cytokines, and interferons protect the non-infected cells from further infection. So this is all about the innate kind of the immunity. And a 3 marks question have been asked so many times in the board examination. Question किस form में आता है? Define innate immunity. Explain any 3 barriers provided by innate immunity. तो ये 3 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन, बोर्ड का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. अगली वीडियो में हम लेंगे एक्वायर्ड, एक्टिव एंड पैसिव इम्यूनिटी. स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू लाइक माय वीडियो देन like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and have a nice day.